fruit and vegetables snacks. Are you ready? Come with me, let's start the party. We're gonna need celery. We're gonna use cream cheese or peanut butter. It's your choice. I also have blueberries, grapes, green grapes,
and blueberries, red tomatoes, pretzels, cucumbers, blueberries.
All the fruit and vegetables are optional. You don't have to get all of them. We're gonna learn to make a caterpillar. We're gonna use a celery. I'm gonna choose cream cheese, green grapes, and red grapes.
Start by putting the cream cheese on the celery. Then I'm gonna add a red grape, green grapes. Then I'm gonna grab my fork. I'm gonna add the ice.
It's okay to get a little messy. The point of this activity is for everyone to participate. Just don't forget to wash your veggies and fruit, and of course, your hands. This way we can enjoy our snack with no worry. Have fun, let your imagination fly. Explore, take the risk, and make your own creation. For instance, to make a snail, we only need cream cheese, celery, a grape, and a slice of cucumber. I'm using peanut butter, blueberries, and pretzels. But if you prefer, you can use your favorite veggies and fruits. For example, you can use cookies instead of pretzels. I love how this snack looks like a beautiful butterfly. Great job, friends! We have beautiful butterflies, a snail, and a caterpillar. I hope you enjoy your picnic. Thank you for letting me be part of your educational journey. Bye-bye.